The mobility of modern military forces relies heavily on the capability to quickly transport personnel, equipment, and weapons systems into operational areas. One of the most striking examples of this is how the C-17 Globemaster III and the C-130 Hercules, two of the U.S. military's premier cargo aircraft, are used to carry and rapidly deploy the M142 HIMARS high-mobility artillery rocket system. This 10.8-ton piece of advanced artillery is highly valued for its versatility and power, and the techniques used to transport it by air demonstrate a blend of cutting-edge engineering, logistics, and tactical brilliance. What is HIMARS? Before diving into how it's transported by air, it's important to understand the significance of HIMARS. The M142 HIMARS is a light multiple rocket launcher mounted on a standard Army M1140 truck frame, designed to fire both guided and unguided artillery rockets with pinpoint accuracy. Its ability to deploy rapidly, fire, and relocate within minutes makes it an essential tool in modern warfare. Weighing approximately 10.8 tons, 21,000 pounds, HIMARS can fire a range of rockets, including the GPS-guided GMLRS-guided multiple launch rocket system, making it lethal against both fixed and mobile targets. C-17 Globemaster III. The C-17 Globemaster III is one of the largest and most versatile military transport aircraft in the world. With a maximum payload of 77 tons, the C-17 can easily carry the HIMARS while also accommodating additional supplies, personnel, or other vehicles. What makes the C-17 especially valuable in the deployment of HIMARS is its ability to land on short, unpaved runways in austere locations, often directly in combat zones. The technique for loading a HIMARS into a C-17 is a finely tuned process. The truck-mounted rocket launcher is driven up a ramp into the aircraft's cargo hold, guided by a team of loadmasters who ensure that the vehicle is perfectly balanced for flight. These loadmasters not only secure the vehicle with heavy-duty tied-down chains, but also calculate the weight distribution to maintain the aircraft's stability during flight. Once loaded, the C-17 can fly at high speeds and cover vast distances, allowing the HIMARS to be deployed anywhere in the world in a matter of hours. The large cargo bay of the C-17 allows for multiple HIMARS systems to be transported simultaneously, making it an excellent choice for moving entire artillery units swiftly. C-130 Hercules. While the C-130 Hercules is smaller than the C-17, it plays a critical role in transporting the HIMARS to more remote and less accessible locations. The C-130 has a maximum payload of 19 tons, which means it can easily carry one HIMARS system along with additional personnel or cargo. The C-130's real strength lies in its ability to land on shorter runways, particularly in locations where larger aircraft cannot operate. This makes the C-130 an ideal choice for deploying HIMARS close to frontline combat zones or in regions where infrastructure is limited. The loading process for the C-130 is similar to that of the C-17, with the HIMARS being carefully driven into the cargo bay and secured by loadmasters. The process requires precision and skill, as the HIMARS must fit perfectly within the confines of the smaller cargo bay, ensuring there is enough room for the crew and any additional supplies. The Airdrop Technique. Fast-deploying HIMARS. One of the craziest and most remarkable techniques for transporting HIMARS is the capability to airdrop the system into remote areas, although this is more commonly done with other, lighter systems. With a C-17 or C-130, a HIMARS can be rolled out of the back of the aircraft mid-flight, using a combination of parachutes and gravity to bring it safely to the ground. While the HIMARS system itself is not typically deployed via airdrop due to its weight and complexity, this method illustrates the versatility of the C-17 and C-130. These aircraft have been used in countless other scenarios to rapidly deploy equipment, allowing units to arrive on the battlefield fully equipped and ready to fight within minutes. This high level of mobility gives the U.S. military and its allies a significant tactical advantage, enabling them to strike hard and fast anywhere in the world. Speed and precision in modern warfare. One of the main reasons why the C-17 and C-130 are used to transport HIMARS is the urgent need for speed and precision in modern warfare. HIMARS is often deployed to provide fire support in situations where ground forces need immediate reinforcements. For example, in combat zones where time is critical, a C-17 or C-130 can deliver a HIMARS system, allowing it to be operational in just minutes after landing. This rapid deployment capability ensures that the system can provide fire support when and where it is needed most, whether in the mountains of Afghanistan or the deserts of the Middle East. Challenges and mastery. Transporting a 10.8-ton HIMARS is no easy feat. Loadmasters must account for weight distribution, balance, and security of the system during flight. Any imbalance could affect the aircraft's handling and safety. Moreover, the conditions for landing might be less than ideal, such as unpaved runways or war zones with little infrastructure. Both the C-17 and C-130 are engineered to handle these extreme conditions, but it takes expert crews and precise coordination to pull it off. The future of rapid fire support. The ability of the C-17 and C-130 to transport and deploy the 10.8-ton HIMARS system showcases the incredible synergy between air mobility and artillery in modern warfare. Whether flying halfway across the globe or landing on makeshift runways, these aircraft ensure that the U.S. military can deliver powerful, mobile fire support to the battlefield quickly and efficiently. This crazy technique of carrying HIMARS underlines the importance of versatility, speed, and precision in keeping pace with the fast-moving demands of 21st-century combat operations. As technology advances, these aircraft and artillery systems will only become more integral to global military strategy.